Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you're having an issue with OneDrive and it's not working properly on your computer and we're unable to open it. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I'd recommend doing, make sure you have a backup of OneDrive saved somewhere, so whether it's cloud backup or on your local computer, before you do anything, because we're about to reset OneDrive here, so make sure you've backed everything up, saved it to another folder, saved it to a flash drive. Just make sure you have a copy of it somewhere, because we're about to reset the application here, and when you do that, you always run the risk of losing documents, photos, videos, that kind of thing. So anyway, we are about to begin. So go and start by copying a path I have in the description of my video. It's a reset path. So just copy it, starts with $, ends with reset, and then open up the start menu, paste it in here. You can see it's listed right here. You could type it out too, but it's easier just to copy and paste it in, and then just left click on it to run it. And then once that is done, go ahead and check for Windows updates. Restart your computer if there are any updates, or if not, still restart your computer, and that should hopefully been able to resolve your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.